Greetings. Greetings, greetings. Anyways, I'm just back to work on UI. There's some issues that I want to iron out, and well, there's the level select that is still broken, so I'm gonna fix that as well. So yeah. Okay, it's gonna be a chill one. Okay, in any case, I just want to fix my button behavior first. So I'm doing all of this on PC, and I've yet to actually test my game on mobile, so I should probably do that soon. Let's see, where's my button class? This one. Okay, let's check what other functions are there for mouse input. This one, right? Pressed. Should I do this? See if I broke anything. Oh no, no, no. Hang on. Wait a second. Okay, let me just try this and see what happens, yeah? What am I doing? No, 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 no. Okay, still works. Okay, so if I'm dragging and my mouse moves across the button, it doesn't trigger the touch input anymore, which is what I want. Okay, good. Oh no, but the mouse... okay. It's not exactly what I want. Let me think about it for a bit. What is this is down for? Is down. What is it for again? It doesn't look like it's used for anything, yeah? Wait a second. Ah, okay. For holding down a button. Got it. So I kinda still need this. Okay. Do an easy fix. Wait a second, no. Hello Amanda. I haven't looked at this code in a day, so I'm just slowly getting back into the groove. What part of the UI am I working on? I'm trying to... At the moment, I'm trying to fix the button, but there's my level select is not working yet. I still need to work on that. There's some graphical issues there that I've not fixed as well. Let me show you. Yeah, look at that. This is a bug, so I have yet to fix that. There's some issues with buttons as well, so when I'm dragging, I don't want to accidentally trigger the button. So I have to fix that as well. Yeah, that's normal. Yeah, I should have written a lot of this code long time ago that I can reuse, but I didn't. I did not do that. Forever stuff to fix is correct. Okay. I shall do it like this. Am I going to reuse this code for Project Dungeon? Yes, definitely. Definitely. Because I'm writing them all as a class now, you see. I'm trying to avoid having gameplay related code inside my classes. That way, it's more reusable for other projects. Okay. Okay, so now if I mouse over the button while sliding, it doesn't trigger them. I mean, yeah, it doesn't call the special action of the button. It only trigger now if I click while inside. Okay, that's what I want. Okay. Is there a better way to fix it? Let me think. Josiah's finally quiet. Used up all his energy already. Let me see if what if I do this? If I put this in here. Is this right? Let me think. What happened with the arrows in the level select? The one with the seems to be all mangled. Yeah. So last time I just reused my world selection code, throw it into level selection in a hurry, and I didn't bother fixing it when things didn't work out. I just went off to sleep. Yeah, and have not looked at that since. So I don't know why they are mangled, because I have yet to look into the issue. Oops, hang on. Okay, let's go to try out the levels. Okay, good. Code is working. Fix the button. Time to fix the level selection, I think. Okay, good. Things still seems to be working. Yeah, I went to sleep without fixing it. Yeah, it was really late, and I had a meeting the next day, right? And unfortunately, I overslept and completely missed the meeting, so I'm not very professional. Yeah, still end up missing the meeting. Oh well. Was it an important meeting? It's a lesson briefing. So I'm supposed to attend it, but the good thing is I've already taught the module before, so I'm not really missing much. But of course, it's just not very professional, right, for me to not attend. The truth is that I'm really not missing much, yeah. Oh yeah, I still have the grass. I need to use it at some point. Okay, let me add something to the debug console. Debug console, please. Sorry, what? The point earlier, it was... What was too close? Oh, you mean the collectible? Oh, yeah, that one. I need to fix that one as well. No worries, I'll go back to fix that. Forgot what level number there is. But yeah, that is definitely something I'll have to fix. There are also other levels where the portal graphic is a bit longer than it should be, so I have to fix that as well. So there will be like this bits and pieces that I have to polish up. So I guess that would be the polishing phase, I suppose. Like for instance, not all of the doodads are done yet, right? Only one level has the grass, and it's only there because I needed to test it. I needed to test the grass movement. I'm still thinking of adding other doodads, other decorations into the scene. Like maybe a lamp, right, hanging from the ceiling that swings about. That'll be fun to work on. Yeah, I do plan on releasing the alpha this month. Originally the plan was last month, but it doesn't seem like I'll be. Well, I mean, obviously I'm not even done with the UI yet. Yeah. I want my final build to have at least 99 levels. Yeah, 100 levels was the goal, but since each world can only fit 9 levels, I think 99 levels would be a good number to end the game on. Yeah, exactly. Should do this restart all and restart. What is a sword? A sword in Twitch? What's a sword? Oh, sure. Give me a moment. Just a moment, eh? Why can't I do that? Oh, that's weird. The row is disabled. Let me try again. Yeah, I'm not able to do it for some reason. No, I'll look into it a bit later. How odd. Hey, let me try. Oh yeah, I cannot do it for anyone. Oh, the assignment of a modding role, I cannot do it for some reason. The option isn't there. Like I can see it says moderator, right? And I'm supposed to check it if I want to assign that role. But I cannot do that. It's disabled for some reason. So I have to look into that a bit later. Oh, is that it? Sure, let me try. Look at me, I don't even know how to do any of this. Okay, well, thanks for volunteering. Let me just... let me see if that works. Oh, look at that. Well, thank you. Thank you. Do you have a sword now? Yeah, you have a sword now. Also, it can only be either... You can only... you can have like either a sword or a diamond, but not both. I see. Okay. Well, thanks. Although, I don't think there's much to worry about. Like, I don't think there's anyone coming in to make trouble. You can delete Lucius' throw message. Oh yeah, you can delete all of the all of his comments about Breath of the Wild. Okay, let's see. Okay, random bot message. Oh, right. Oh yeah, that's true. Cool, man. Thank you. Okay, so I need to do room restart, right? Oh, I cannot. Can I restart the room? Yes. Okay. Just doing some minor fixes here and there, and I think I'm finally to the point where I can look into why the shapes in my level selection screen is all distorted. So I'm basically just applying this code, right? The same code here, but obviously my code is wrong somewhere, so I have to fix that. I'm a tad tired, to be honest, so I'm not quite sure how efficient I'll be today. I'll probably just be staring at code. It's also annoying that the facial capture is not working. So you know what? I think I'm gonna just do this. Hi. How about this? Yeah, there we go. Yeah. There we go. But I'm always staring at code. You know what? That is true. So no difference. Did I see my double? Yeah. I saw the Shiba Inu. I saw it. Okay, so what am I supposed to be staring at? Let's see. Ah, yes. See, I'm drawing the line, right? But the code is completely broken here, so I don't even remember why I have this loop. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, mine has glasses. What's the for loop for? It's for the 3 lines, right? 1, 2, 3. So I want there to be a 6 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, to show that all of the levels are connected. You know what? Let me just do the usual, right? I'm gonna bring up pane and then I'm just gonna plan what I need to do. Quote unquote plan. So I'll have 6, so not 6, 9 buttons. And the idea is that you can actually play any one of these levels in any order. Although that raises some question about tutorial world, right? So tutorial, how would I do tutorial? But I think I'll worry about that next time. But essentially, I'm gonna have 9 buttons, each one representing one level. And just for fun, I would draw lines connecting all of them, so that it looks a little less empty, I guess. Yeah. I remember Devious Oatmeal mentioning I can set up some context. I provide some context as to what the game is about, and I put something in the environment. Even then, I'm not sure what to do. I'm not quite sure what to put into the surrounding. I can put generic patterns, I guess, but the game is set in a lab, kind of like in Pinky and the Brain, I suppose. Right, so you are a Jerboa, and you need to escape the lab. Yeah, it's not in order. Anyway, I need to fix this first. Yeah, I do not know why. It just keeps getting more and more distorted. Probably something to do with this uniform. Could be something wrong with this. Let me think. Excuse me. Not sure what I need to talk to John about tomorrow for the presentation. Mine is gonna be so boring. It's just some UI classes. Button offset, where is that from? Okay, got it. So if I put some huge number, something's gonna change, right? Let me just bring up GM Live. Yeah, it's not gonna have arrows. So the arrows here is just a placeholder. I'm going to change them. But first they have to not look like this. So I have to fix that. Index 1, index 2. So if I put like some huge number, something's gonna change, right? Yeah, everything shifted down. Got it. It's a bit too much, I guess. He's partly trolling me. But he thinks the game is too empty. I would rather it be, you know, like reasonably empty, right? Because it conveys a sense of scale. You know, than for it to be packed with artificial quests and well, I don't know. I mean, you have seen a lot of open world games where if you open up the map, right, the world map, it's just littered with icons. You know, that's not nice. It's completely immersion ruining. You know. You've only ever watched one Let's Play, right? It's definitely worth playing. It's not without its issue. I loved the game a lot when I started playing it, but unfortunately the ending is it's a bit anticlimactic, I feel. Again, that's just me. It's just me. What? Wait a second, why is my forward vector like this? That looks very wrong. This looks very wrong. Wait a second. Let me check something. World selection. It looks very wrong. Yeah. This is supposed to be what it's supposed to look like. I need to change it. I'm surprised it even still renders something. Adaptive music in the game is great. Oh, that's nice. It's not the same watching someone else do a let's play cause you know they edited the videos. Yeah. The sense of discovery in Breath of the Wild is something. It's quite something. I find it really amazing. You know, you can be like just gliding around, and you suddenly see this weird feature in the distance and be like, what the heck is that? I need to go and take a look. And there's this one time where I was gliding, right, and I saw a giant monster. It's huge, man. It's just sleeping, you know. Another time I try to I see this huge rock. So I tried climbing on top of it, and then it came to life. or you chance upon a cave, right? And then the moment you step in, right, all of the guardians started pointing their lasers at you, you know, and that's scary. It's really amazing. Like it feels really different, right? Every different corners, there's something. It's not just, you know, it's not just like it's not like a checkpoint for you to start a mini game. It's not like that. Right? And that's one of the problem with Batman Arkham Knight, right? It just feels like the entire game is just various checkpoints for you to trigger a mini game, you know. But one day you can finally buy a Switch, you'll play it. Nice. Yeah, definitely. A Link to the Past is awesome. Oh, but I did not actually complete it. I played until second last dungeon, I think, and then I got stuck. That was so long ago. I was still a kid. You're at that tower now and you lost at the... Wait, where are you at? Have you fought Aganin yet? If that's his name. Worm boss. I see. Ah, I see. So you're still quite early in the game. I see. The worm boss, the one that can push you off, right? And you drop into the lower levels, right? That was quite interesting. Okay, let's see. Oops. It's okay. Okay, let's see if I manage to fix anything. Oh, look at that. Okay, so at least the shape is correct now. Okay. Need to change the color somewhere. Where did I change the color? Oh, okay, got it. Not much kanji, so it's easy to read. Ah. How fluent are you at Japanese? You seem to have like no trouble at all, right? Reading skills are horrible? Ah, I see. But conversation is not a problem for you, right? Ah. What the? It hang. What the heck? Okay. Oh, you cannot talk about technical stuff. Oh, no, that's fine. I mean, I cannot talk about the programming stuff in Mandarin. I cannot do that at all. They're trying to play Japanese games in Japanese to improve reading skills. I see. Okay, let's make a new... Oh, I shouldn't have closed it. Let's make a new graphic. Let me bring up Pixel Edit. I mean, it's also has to do with the fact that our education is completely based in English, right? Based on English. So all of the technical terms, all of the technical programming terms, yeah, I don't know what they are in Chinese at all. What was I looking at again? Levels. There we go. Thin lines here. Oops. Hang on. How big is this? 10:5. Oops. Okay. Oh, hey Hannah. Look at me, I'm still working on the bloody UI. Bloody UI. How's your weekend so far? Let me keep this. Striped line. Safe. It's already Saturday. Wait, is it past 12? Oh, it's Sunday already. Sunday or Monday there will be classes. It's fast, isn't it? Like school holidays. It's over really quick. Okay. Let's see. Oh, I just realized I need to change this a little bit. Damn it. On. There we go. Anyway, I'm not gonna work till too late today. I need to start sleeping earlier, right? Because school's gonna start. S level. Oh, there we go. This is the one I need to use. How would it look like if I try it? Let's see. Oh my god. What happened? Oh, I know why. It's because of the scan lines. Damn it. Okay, horizontal scan lines doesn't work well. On horizontal lines, of course. Oh, damn. Maybe I should forget about the... Okay, there we go. Eh? It still looks wrong. That still looks wrong. I'm drawing the wrong sprite. Hang on. Yes, I'm drawing the wrong sprite. Yep. It's all here. Text. Here. Restart. Oops. Oh my goodness. Okay, that's not good. Wait, let me restart the whole thing. What happened? What happened is I'm trying to figure out how to make the lines here look nice, I suppose. Yeah, I'm not entirely sure how to, you know, make the level select look interesting at this moment. Oh no, why is it black? What the what? Oh wait, I get it, I get it. Because the sprite is already colored. So if I do this, yeah, it still looks like crap. It's This one is missing one pixel for some reason. Why is this one thinner than the rest? I can't believe how broken this is. Wait a second. Restart all. Okay, resize. This one works if I resize. Why is it that this one doesn't work? Yeah, it's supposed to work. Wait, does it matter where I put this? Let me see. Okay, let's go. Yeah, it's completely broken. When I resize the window, all my lines become distorted. So I'm definitely making a stupid mistake somewhere. Probably some copy and pasting mistake. Need to double check all of this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Thickness. This is correct, right? Okay, let's see. This is 10 by 6. Try to find the one boss. Yeah, it's very easy to fall off the stage in that game, in that boss fight. So I'm just staring at this and wondering what in the world is going on. Okay, this is not right. Okay, I'm gonna stare at this again. Displacement vector from destination to source. What is this? Why? Okay, there we go. It's really careless. Okay, let's see. Okay. Yeah, one character ruined everything. It's also still a bit distorted here for some reason. Double check if I see if I made any other mistakes. UVs. Where's UVs? Where am I getting my UVs from? Need to look at that as well. Get texture. Texture is this. Okay, got it. Should be fine. How's the UI going? Just fixing some bugs. Seems to be going okay at the moment. Going to try the boss fight again. Good luck. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna draw the other 3 lines. No, wait, I need my elapsed time. Okay, good. How would this look? Let's see. Alrighty then. Seems fine, yeah? Okay, time to draw the other 3. Maybe I should make this more reusable. Let me think. Yeah, you know what? Let me make a script out of this. Draw special line. Wait a second. No. Wait. Let me think. Need to set all of this uniform. That seems a bit troublesome, yeah? Screw it. Forget about it. I will do one local function in here, I guess. Draw a line, draw strike the line. So I can get rid of all this. And I can draw the columns as well. See if this works first. This had better work. Oh. Oops. You must use surface reset target. What? What, right? What's going on? Did not make any references to a surface here, right? Weird. Oh, okay, hang on. Just saw something. No, what the heck? Unbalanced surface stack. unbalanced surface. Is there something about the declarations of functions within the event itself that I don't know about? Okay, if I don't draw anything, it works. Okay, let me try this. What happens if I just call it once? Oh, I get it. Oh, damn it. Damn it. But at least I hope I get it. And do I have access to the member variable? I hope I do. Let me try it again. Okay, it works. Okay, it works. Just forgot to include this. Now there's something I need to add. Offset X, offset Y. So instead of having this, we're gonna have this. Oops. There you go.
An artificial paradise.
Okay, I need to figure out the indices for the buttons. So let's see. Let me think. Button. Okay, so if I'm not wrong, the indices are like so: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so I need to. So I've already drawn the rows. I need to draw the column. So it should be 0, 1, and 2, and 6, 7, and 8. Got it. Oh, crap. Ah, Chip Zale's music. Love her music. There we go. Yes, I have this stripy pattern. Okay, what if I bring back scan lines? What will happen? Would it look like crap? Let's find out. Okay. It's definitely looking a little weird for the horizontal lines, but screw it, I'll keep it. Maybe if I make it faster, it'll be less visible. Let's see. Faster, faster, faster. To make it faster, I can multiply it by 3 times. Let's reload. Oh yeah, it's already faster. Oh, frame rate is crap though. Okay. I think I got my pattern in. What's a good thing I should do next? Yeah, let this lead to the level itself, right? That'll be nice. I need a back button as well. I need a back button. Okay. Let's fix it up. I need my container to be a bit smaller. Okay. Now it's completely centered. Do I want it to be completely centered? Maybe not. Let's try this. Slightly higher up now. Yeah, okay, let's stick with this. Oh, sorry, did I miss something? Maybe tomorrow? What about tomorrow? I think I missed out something. I think I did not see some of the messages. Had 1 heart left when... Oh, you mean the boss fight, I see. Had 1 heart left when you got to the boss. I see. How are you liking A Link to the Past so far? How's level selection? Well, I got this going. You know what? I want to turn off live reloading a bit. I think it's making it lag. So let me turn it off for a bit. Okay, let's see if it's still lagging. The sense of direction doesn't help. Wait, it affects you even in 2D games, like you know, since there isn't any camera rotation, right? The north will always be the north, the east will always be the east. Yeah. Are you still affected? Oh wow, okay. Now it's running a lot faster. It's more like you don't even know how to get to a certain places. Ah, I see. I see. Yeah, as the navigation can be difficult, right? You have to constantly consult your map. Have you played any 3D Zeldas? Oh no, this is your first Zelda, right? Link to the Past. Because like for some of the older 3D Zeldas, there's some dungeons that can be really hard to navigate, like the water dungeon is one. Water dungeon is pretty difficult to navigate. You didn't even know how to get to the tower, you had to go to the cemetery and push the... I see. But you have not played any 3D Zeldas before, right? Ah, I see. Okay, I need a back button. Back button. Okay, let me bring back GM Live. bit small. You did play a bit of Ocarina of Time. Oh, nice. But I don't think you got very far. Right, right. Ah. Ocarina. Ocarina of Time, a true classic. Yeah, 2D is definitely easier to navigate. Got lost after going to the toilet to find your seat back for the happens. You ever got lost trying to find your table? Yeah, sometimes. Just takes a while to find my seat. So I have this problem with you know, if you go to the mall and then you have to look for the restroom, right? So imagine you have to, you know, you find, how do I put it? You find the corridor that leads to the restroom, right? So you walked in and then, how do I put it? You walked in and then you have to turn left, right, to enter. So that's fine, right? So but for me, right, when I exit the toilet, I always have to try to remember which way to turn. I'll be like, do I turn left or turn right when exiting, you know? Yeah. Yeah. And it's embarrassing to forget sometimes because if I turn the wrong direction, then I may be like walking towards the ladies, you know? You know the shopping centers, they have the map, right? It takes really long to find the URL. Does this look weird? Alrighty then. Do I also have the issue with finding the "You are here" sign? Do I? Not so much, I think. Not so much with that particular issue. I think if there is a map, then I'm still more or less okay. Button is a little too small here. Let me fix that. Damn it, it's too small. Let's find the right size first and then I'll fix it. This would be about the right size, I think. Yeah, driving is gonna be a problem. Yeah, I understand the struggle. Oops. Walk 100 meters and turn left, you're like 100 meters. Like how far exactly is 100 meters, right? What am I drawing? I'm drawing a back button. A back button. Like going back to the previous screen. That's what I'm working on. Oh, I know why it feels so weird. It's supposed to be like that. There we go. Yeah, I knew something was weird. Okay. Yeah, it's an arrow that points backwards, like towards the previous screen, you know. Let me make it a bit thinner. I think it's a bit too much. Why was there a small and big one? I drew the small one and realized it's too small. Yeah, so I redrew it. Got it. No, I think one is enough. There you go. Okay, let me make it a bit fatter. Do I get lost a lot overseas? I have never really been to other countries much. I've only ever been overseas twice, and both times it's not for vacation or leisure or anything. First time I went overseas is to Redmond, right? No, the overseas immersion program, like going to DigiPen to study for 1 semester. Right, because we have our DigiPen education in Singapore, right? But there's this 1 semester where we have to go to Redmond to study, just 1 semester. That's my first time overseas. Then my second time overseas is to Seattle, which is for work purpose, which is to man the booth, right? Because I was making Space Jack at the time, and we won something, right? We took part in the Intel game making competition, right? So Space Jack was one of the finalists, and we were invited to PAX, and we were given a booth there, right? The Intel booth, to showcase the game. Yeah, so we flew over to show off the game, and that's it. So I've never really have like much experience with traveling. So I wouldn't even dare to, wander around. Don't have any of this experience, so I probably don't have the know-how to travel by myself. Did I get lost? No, because I don't wander off the group, I don't explore. Yeah. Furthest I've ever been away from my hostel was to some bookstore. Yeah, that's about it. It was 20 minutes walk away from the hostel. Yeah, I love that place, that bookstore. Half Price Bookstore is called. Love it. There's a lot of second-hand awesome stuff. You know, secondhand games, secondhand books, everything there is awesome. Don't get lost at night. Yeah. And that's what I like about Singapore, right? Most of the time you do feel safe, you know. End up at art museum, I see. You ended up talking to the artists who had their art showcase. Nice. Must be quite the experience then. Did you manage to find the gay district in the end? That area is really famous for gay clubs. Ah. You didn't expect to find an art museum above a gay club. So what did you see in the gay district? A gay club? I mean, what exactly is a gay district? Like what makes it different, you know? Didn't go inside the clubs, right? LGBT people hang out there, but you did see guys. Oh wow, open display of affection, eh? They're open in that area, right? Okay, I'm gonna make a back button. He didn't know how to get to the train station, so one of the artists was also taking the train. I see. Okay, let's make the back button. Tokyo trains are also very confusing. Horrible for social anxiety. Ah, I see. The crowd is horrible. Most neighborhoods are pretty quiet. That's nice. That's nice. See any like bikers, you know, with the loud horns and whatnot? Have you seen any of those? I've heard like some of my mates who, some of my friends who were working in Japan, for Tecmo Koei, right? Like the places where they stayed at, they sometimes have to hear, you know, those bikers, you know, driving by really loudly. Right, there's a gang of them, right? People will get angry and start to yell out the window, you know, asking them to shut up. Yeah, that's what I hear anyways. It's also like people you know who used to work in Japan, they are women, so they get hit on a lot by the seller. Oh really? Drunk? Oh, drunks, I see, I see. So it's a common thing in Japan, is that it? They will ask them if they want to stop by. Wow. Oh, that's definitely not the thing here then, Singapore. It's quite common to get hit on by men if you're a girl. I see, I see. No, but in that fashion? Asking to go to a hotel? Really? Oh, goodness. Yeah, I guess these are the stuff that I would be blind to, right? Simply because I'm a guy, I wouldn't see that. In Australia, people will do it even if they are not drunk. Goodness. Goodness. How about Singapore? You have witnessed it in Australia? In Australia, right. With alcohol involved, you should, yeah. Right. Okay, gonna add the back button. I just realized I didn't do any cleaning up. Wait. Oh wait, I did. Okay, good. God, I think I forgot to clean up a lot of stuff. Like, how in Japan, it seems like majority of people wouldn't just try to hit on girls on the street if they're drunk. Wait, what? Say again? If... Seems like majority of people wouldn't just try to hit. But if they are drunk, right. Wait, I think there's garbage collection, right? In GML. Let me see. GameMaker garbage collection. Not for everything, I think. I'm not entirely sure. Not ne. GML struck. Like, I'm just wondering if I need to, you know, explicitly delete my structures or not. Oh hey Lucius, you're done with your game? Let's just talk about the... Amanda just sharing some of the stuff she observed when traveling to other countries, you know, like Japan, Australia. Right, these are all the stuff that I wouldn't know, right, because I don't travel, period. Yeah, so it's interesting to listen to them. When the strike is no longer required, it can be removed from memory using the delete operator, which is another blah blah. These dereferences is not strictly required, as the garbage collector may do this automatically in the following games that if the strike is no longer referenced. Yes! But it is good practice to do so, and we recommend... Okay, fine, I'll do it. Okay. Yeah, of course, of course. I wouldn't get catcalled, right? That would be that would be that would be weird. So obviously I'll be blind to a lot of these issues that women face. Cat caught on the streets. You mean in Singapore also? Goodness. This is in Australia, right, right. I would be really disappointed if this is Singapore. When I was in the States, did anyone say ni hao to you? No, not really. No one said ni hao to me. Hello, Ayan Yang. Thanks for dropping by. When you live in Australia, so many rando guys will come up to any Asian girl and say konnichiwa or ni hao. Goodness. So they only ever knew Japanese or Chinese. Is that it? Goodness. You could try replying in Korean. Hello, Ayan Yang. I'm actually working on UI. I've been stuck on UI for like a week already. Actually, more than a week. Let me show you what I have. Oh yeah, so as you can see, right, I have a world selection. This is a work in progress. But the idea is that each of this button, right, represent a world, and each world, right, each world has 9 levels. So if I click on the world, right, it will bring me to level selection here, right? So each of these is a level, but it's not done yet, as you can see. For some reason, level selection is lagging quite a bit. But it's also because I enabled the live reloading. Yeah, but yeah, that's what I have at the moment. I'm not sure if you have seen the actual gameplay. Have you seen the gameplay? So for the game, right, I have been working on the lighting, as you can see here. Right, I did some lighting effects. I did some scan lines in the background. Yeah. So please don't mind the lag. It's because of the live reloading and the fact that I'm streaming. So once I exported it in the proper mode, the performance wouldn't be a problem. Yeah. Actually, your word selection, both buttons are active at the moment. Yeah, it's just for testing purpose. Let me restart all. It's just for testing purposes, so you can. I have a button, right? No, I have a code. I have a line of code somewhere that specifically set both words to be active there. Here. It's just to test. It's just for testing purposes. The stage select sort of reminds you of the Mega Man. Oh yeah, you're right. Oh yeah, you're right. Oh man. Then I should put like the face of the enemy here. Yeah. Good times, man. I love Mega Man. Yeah, now to get this working. Oh wait, I'm adding a back button. So I'm gonna do that first. Mega Man is bad game? Are you serious, Lucius? Too many spikes. Oh wait, I forgot you don't like platformers, right? You don't like games with that style of gameplay. Mega Man is extremely punishing, yeah. But there's a good one that is not so punishing. I highly recommend it to you. Hang on. You should check out Mega Man 0. 0 is good, it's not as punishing. I see what you did there. You played before. It's good, right? Mega Man 0. Or you don't like it as well? So it just needs to have spikes for it to be a bad game, eh? A better network. Good times. What was I doing again? Oh yeah, there we go. Yeah, I needed to add the delete. Right. Okay, let me get to it. What's wrong with instant kill? Pitfall is an instant kill. If you jump to a platform and you miss, it's an instant kill also. Oh wait, it's not array length. Damn it. Never played Mega Man as a kid, so you tried playing on emulator. But Mega Man is... the original Mega Man is really difficult. I think we have to keep in mind that it was from the NES era, right? And NES games tend to be really difficult because... if I'm not wrong, right, the programmers test the game, you know, and they are good at the game, so they just keep making it more and more difficult. Yeah, that's why some, if you... I think, Lucius, I think it really depends on the format of the game. No, if your level is really short, right, there's nothing wrong with an instant kill. Meat Boy does that. Metroid is the superior game because no instant kill spikes. Metroid is actually my favorite franchise. Yeah, Metroid is my favorite. Then comes Zelda, then comes Mario. Yeah, just a little sad that Metroid hasn't seen a new game in a while. Okay, there we go. Yeah, Zelda is my second favorite. Yeah, Metroid is my favorite. I thought I told you Metroid Fusion is the game that made me want to pursue game development, you know. Recent releases are bad. What do you mean by recent? You mean Other M? You know, when Other M came out, you're probably like what, a baby or something. Well, not baby, but like 7 years old or something. Other M is so old already. It's not recent anymore. Goodness, like the franchise needs to have a new game soon. Oh, you mean Zelda? Oh. Lots of people will disagree with you about Breath of the Wild. Age of Calamity is not that great though. I will give it a 6. I think I actually enjoy RE6 more than Age of Calamity. Because RE6 is like really campy, right? It's, you know, it's like it's very silly, and silly is sometimes enjoyable. Yeah, I think like if you don't like Breath of the Wild, then there is like zero reason for you to get Age of Calamity. On the other hand, Jim Sterling loved Age of Calamity, but he did not really like. He's not too big a fan of Breath of the Wild, so that's interesting. Okay. Oh, but Jim Sterling loves Dynasty Warriors in general, I think. Yeah. So after playing Age of Calamity, right, my first and only Warriors style games, I don't think I'll be getting another one. I think that one game is enough. I enjoyed it, but I don't think it's that great. The writing was so bad you laugh so hard. Yeah, that's part of the enjoyment of RE, I think. But not all RE have that kind of tone. Not all REs are like that. I think 7 is a bit more serious, and 4 is like purposely over the top. I feel like 6 is kind of, they're trying to do it seriously, but you know, it just comes across as really bad. Yeah, 6 is special in that case, I guess. Your top 5 series is Fire Emblem, Shin Megami Tensei, Final Fantasy, oh okay, Castlevania, and Dark Souls. So I see JRPG or JRPG style games is big for you, eh? Castlevania and Dark Souls. Oh yeah, that reminds me, I should replay Dark Souls Remastered soon. Not soon, but one of these days. It's so difficult, that game. Stream Dark Souls? No, I have it on Switch. I cannot stream it. I don't have the hardware necessary to stream. Unless I buy the Steam version. But the first Dark Souls really is not very accessible. Is the second one more accessible for newcomers? The original Dark Souls probably the second easiest. Which is the easiest? 2? 3? Second one is easier. Ah, I see. So the difficulty from the hardest to the easiest is 3, 3, 1, 2. The bosses was super difficult. Like I don't even know if I'm supposed to fight the boss. That's the thing, right? You know, there's this one part where I walked out. I walked into the forest. You know, I killed whatever creatures there were, and then I exited. I go through a door, and I see this moth, right? And we stare at each other, and then it just blasts me with a beam, and I died. You know, I'm like, I don't know how to fight the thing. I cannot reach it. You know. Don't know about accessibility, right? Probably 3 Bloodborne, Demon Souls 1, 2. Demon Souls? Demon Souls, there's only one of it, right? You played Demon Souls? Wow. Are you getting the remake on PS5? Getting it once you have a PS5, that's very nice. You wish list and play games just because there's cat. There's a multiplayer game coming out this year called Fistic Fluff. Let's cat fight together. Ooh, I'll keep an eye out. Let's see if it's good or not. I shall keep an eye out for it. It's not designed to be fight directly for melee builds. Wait, oh, the butterfly is one of the easiest. You just need to dodge and wait for it to come down. It comes down? Okay. I didn't even know that. But how do you actually... I think I've faced a lot of problems because you don't really have a lot of space, right? It's super narrow, you know, you have to fight it on the corridor. Alright, you know what? Next time I try again, I'll pay better attention to its attack pattern. Oh, a video. Hang on. Misty Fluff. Oh, look at that. Wait, I'll definitely check it out. Hang on, let me just save it first. Okay. There's iframe so you can roll when you shoot project. Oh, got it. Okay. DLC bosses are quite hard. I see. No, the thing about Dark Souls when I played it is, when you beat the boss, it's one of the most satisfying things ever, right? Right. There's this lion-like, huge lion-like demon that I fought. I think that was a fun one because I was just running on the roof and then it suddenly appears, right? And it was really epic. Yeah, that part was fun. I remember it. Yeah, it's just I think at some point I was just so overwhelmed by the scale of the bosses. Like I don't even know if I'm supposed to be there. So I actually faced the Hydra as well, right? The three-headed snake thingy, the serpent, right? The water serpent, whatever it is. Goodness, I don't even dare to go close. And when I did go close to it, right, I was just killed in one hit or something. Taurus Demon, I see. Yeah, it was fun. Some of the boss fights was really fun. But I stopped because I felt lost, and I'm not sure if I'm supposed to fight a boss or not, Hydra attacks in the same place every time. You can stand still at the correct place and not get hit. I guess it's really about studying the pattern then. Or maybe I can switch to a mage rather than a melee fighter. But personally, I prefer melee, I think melee is more satisfying. You can fight any boss at any time as long as you know about iframes and stuff. Right. Do I play calmer games like puzzle games? Yes. Long time ago I played Meteos, which I loved a lot. It's on the DS. I played a bit of Lumines. I'm not good at it, but I played it to relax at one point. I stopped playing it already. Actually, that's it. I think that's it. Yeah. I played the Tetris 99. Best I've ever gotten is second place. I've never gotten first place before. You can fight any boss at any time as long as you know. Oh, wait, hang on. There's a boss where you can 2v1 and it's pretty. Oh. I remember asking the Sun Knight. Is it called the Sun Knight? I asked someone to help me. Yeah, some NPC to help me. Puzzle game timeline. Let me check. Look at that. Pretty game. Oh, art style does remind me of Monument Valley. Looks good. Oh wait, there's cats. Obviously, right? Since you found it. So let's see what's the game about. Stealth puzzle game where you control time like a media player. Ooh. Perceive future events to plan your escape strategy from the past. Okay. Through this companionship journey of a mysterious cat. Looks nice. Forgot about Sekiro. Right. So Dark Souls 3 is harder than all of them. Oh, that's crazy. Elden Ring, is it the one where what's his name again? George R. R. Martin was involved. Is it that one? Or is it something else? Not sure if the S3 is really that hard, but it's also quite fast paced. Right. I think your perception of its difficulty is probably going to be quite different from a newbie, right? Because you have already beaten one game, so you kind of understand the mechanics, right? I think for a newbie, can be quite overwhelming, I think. Oh no, it's in the wrong place. Let me do something about that. It's the George guy, right. The Game of Thrones guy, right? Just need to know when to dodge, when to heal, and when to attack. Yeah, all set. Got it. Which is the entire game, basically. Yeah, I have a little bit of an itch to go back to that game. And replay the whole thing. Blind drive, let me check. Comedy thriller played with your ears. Oh wow, okay. You've been blindfolded and forced to drive against traffic with only your imagination. Oh wow, that's interesting. Actually, I've seen a Flash game where you are a samurai. You're a blind samurai. And you fight people simply by listening. Listening to your opponent, you know. Like they will taunt you, they will walk around, and you can tell where they are from. You can tell where they are going to hit you from. Yeah, it's quite cool. Blind drive. Very innovative. Every encounter is this mechanics, right? Personally, you like figuring out what's their attack and easy game then, right? In terms of which is the most fun. Sekiro, Sekiro is the most fun, okay. Bloodborne, DS1, 3 and 2. Oh. With your sense of direction, maybe you won't get lost now. Maybe. Oh, okay, I think I got it in the right place. Yeah, maybe. So, since my UI system is supposed to be working, right? If I resize the game, it should still work. See? Resize, still works. Resize, still works. Holy crap, this works. Resize. There we go. Resize. Okay, it's working. I have a lot of games that I have yet to play. I bought it, I haven't played it. On the Switch, I still have Astral Chain. I stopped halfway. I might want to replay it at some point. Luigi's Mansion, still in plastic wrapping. You know, for Dark Souls 3, the last few DLC bosses, you didn't even do their area. I just run past everything and I see. What about other Souls like made by other developers? Do you like them? I heard there's one pretty good one called Mortal Shells. Oh, hello. Hello, thanks for the raid. Hello, Himetoki. Hi. Hime-sama has entered the chat. Hello. Greetings. Hello, hello. Hello. Oh, let me introduce what I'm working on. Hang on. Hello. Sorry, my avatar is like not moving because I'm wearing my specs, so I think it's a bit reflective. In any case, I'm working on a one button platformer, right, for mobile, and the idea is that the character will always be moving left and right, and you just have to time your input to get to the endpoint, which is the door. There we go. Right, so at the moment I'm just working on the UI, which is the most boring part of development in my humble opinion. But yeah, I do have some levels here and there. Yeah, let me skip this level. Right, I have some screen wrapping as well. So you can see the purple stuff, right? Those are portals. So if you enter from one end, you exit from the other end. Hello, Quantum T. Thank you so much for dropping by, everyone. So I'm still at the I think at the moment I'm only at like one third of my way done. Oh hey, thanks for the follow. I'm like 1/3 of my way done with the content. Like I'm aiming for 99 levels. At the moment I only have 34, so I still have quite a bit to do. Yeah, but at the moment I'm actually working on the UI. So I have all of this levels here, but there's no way to just pick which level to play. And at the moment, all of the levels are not organized properly. They're just randomly ordered. So hang on. So at the moment, I can only select my level like so. Oh hey, thanks for the follow, Zuzuzuk and Original Katsu. Yeah, but at the moment I'm working on level selection, so it looks something like this. It's still a work in progress, but the idea is that each of this button, right, represents a game world, and each world has 9 levels in total. So if I click on this, right, it will bring me to the level selection. And yeah, at the moment it looks very generic, but I'm hoping to be able to add more to it, like maybe put the character here, to show which level you previously played and so on and so forth. And yeah. My next step would be to test this on a mobile device, and hopefully nothing breaks. Bro, I wouldn't even know where to begin. You mean like which one to click on? Yeah, let's see. Restart. Restart all. Oh, you mean in making a game? Oh, I'm using this tool called the GameMaker Studio 2. It's fairly user friendly, I feel, right? To move an object is you can do something like x plus x equals to x plus 2, right? To move the an object 2 pixels to the right, and it's fairly straightforward, thankfully. And in fact, personally, I think for someone who's new to making games, right, a game maker would be more accessible compared to other engines like maybe Unity or Unreal, right? So if you're interested, you can give it a shot. I think there is a free trial version that's available if you're interested. Yeah. There's let's see, that there is an internal sprite editor, but I think generally people tend to use external editors for art. Right, there's an editor here, but I think like for myself, I use Pixel Edit. Let's see, where is my character file? Lost it. Oops, just a moment. I should turn this off. Oh, there we go. Yeah, we can actually make a sprite sheet with all of the characters, with all of the frames, right, featuring the character, and then you can just drop the entire sprite sheet into GameMaker and select the individual frames for a particular animation, and it will work pretty nicely. So I think I would GameMaker is nice. GameMaker Studio 2. Construct 2, I believe is also pretty decent to start with, right, for learning. And I've heard that people without coding background have a pretty decent time with Buildbox as well. Yeah. Of course, there's always Unity and Unreal, right, which is extremely powerful, extremely powerful, but may have a higher barrier of entry compared to this. Okay, let's see. Okay, so I'm back to testing my UI. Yeah, I was just testing it and making sure that all my button placement still works. If I were to scale it and give it a weird aspect ratio. Right, because you never know, right? Maybe Apple would unveil a new phone, right, that is like this long, right, and then everything will break if I don't handle the placement, the aspect ratio properly. That happened one time, right? I was making my previous game, Serial Scramblers, so I designed everything to be 9 by 16, which was the standard aspect ratio for phones. and then they reviewed iPhone X. So, oh my goodness, and I have to rewrite a lot of stuff. Yeah. So yeah, so I've learned my lesson. I will handle all of these things properly now. Hey Himetoki, thanks so much, man. Thanks so much for the raid party. You wanna try Construct, but it's monthly fees. Oh, Construct 2 has a free version. Construct 2 is it's free though, I think. Oh wait, unless you want to make Oh wait, there's some limits, right, with the free version. Right. It's like what, a limited number of events, is it? Can try good though. Oh. Amanda suggests trying good though. Amanda, you don't have a coding background, right? Maybe you can share how it's like using Godot. You don't know the price and limit. What kind of a game are you thinking of making? There are certain tools that's extremely specialized. Right? I think, like if we want to make a visual novel, then we can look into RenPy. RenPy is quite nice. RenPy for visual novels. JRPG would be RPG Maker, right? I think that's quite common. JRPG. That's Godot. Godot is good for 2D, eh? I see. So where was I? Where was I? Let me run it. .3D is. I think we are learning. We should start with 2D first. I think. Started out as a 2D engine. I didn't know that. That's cool. Okay, I need to give this button an action. Okay, let's do it. On click. On click. On click. On click. Oops, I forgot what I'm supposed to do. Hang on. Okay. Targeting. World selection. So this should hopefully allow me to go back to world selection. Okay. If you want to do narrative games with branching dialogue, yarn spinner. Oh, okay. Yarn spinner. Okay, let's see if this thing works. Usually it doesn't because everything I write tend to break the first time around. Okay, let's restart. There you go. Hey, it works. Okay, I have my back button ready. Okay. I need to make all of this go to a level as well. Okay, what should I do? Right, it's a tool for writing branching narrative, right? I've heard if you're into writing text-based game, you can look into this thing called Twine. This one. Twine, an open source tool for telling interactive non-linear stories. So that's cool. Night in the Woods use Yarn Spinner, nice. Yeah, the game is nice. Okay, where am I? I need to... There we go. You know, I started with Flash. I think Flash is my very first experience with making a game. Flash is pretty friendly towards designer also, right? It's just unfortunate that the Flash player is dead. It's gone. One click. Okay, you know what? Let me just do something here first. So instead of starting the transition animation from the center of the room, I'm going to start it from where the button is. Button. Dot X, right? I think it is. Dot X. Button. Dot Y. I might have to update it once to get the position correct. Or maybe not, let me just comment it out first. Yeah, Flash is officially dead, yeah. It's the first time my stream has so many viewers. oh, thanks. Thanks to the raid, thanks to Hime Toki. Thank you again. You know what? Oh, let me take off my specs. See, this annoying thing, right? It's if I wear my specs, then the facial recognition doesn't work at all. Let's see, is it working now? It's still not working, so... Oh, it's working. Yay! Everything is blurred. Hang on, let me put it back. Okay. Hello. If you're wondering what this pudding is, it's my input pudding. Every time I type something, it jiggers. It's there because it entertains me. Okay, let's see. Yeah, I cannot see without my glasses. Oh hey, thanks for the follow. ZXC34. Hello. Let me just go to level 34. So I'm hub coding it to go to level 34 for now. And then I'm gonna run this, see if it works. Eat the pudding. Oh, as you can see, my facial recognition is dead again. It's annoying. It really only works during the daytime when the glare from my monitor is not that strong. I can do this though. Hang on. Oh no! What happened? There's a compilation error. Come on! What did I do wrong? Oh, I think it's the scope. Okay. What do I do here? Can I do this? Method. Okay, I'm not sure if this will work. Hang on, let me just fix this. Okay. Method. Yeah, this one I'm not entirely sure. Am I doing this correctly? Okay, see if it compiles. Okay, let's see. If I click on one of... Uh-oh. It's not working. I broke something. Hang on. I broke something. Never mind. I'll fix this later. Okay, at least the transition here works. Let me get rid of this. Okay, what's next? I need to check out how my game world is organized. So let's look at this. $11 worlds in total. That's the plan, and then I've okay, so I've put some levels in some arbitrary manner. Let's see. Level 01, level 02. Okay, how do I do this? Okay, I need to read from the file. Let's see. Okay, here. I read from the data file, and then I'm supposed to use the data file to determine what each of the button is supposed to bring me, right? Where each of the button is supposed to bring me. So I have 9 buttons in each world. Okay. So let's try level 1 to 9 first. Let's see. First I have to think about how to store all of this data. Okay. I can have an array of arrays, I guess. Okay, so I have one array. Let's drag a loop. Let's take a look at the data file again. Starting from 1. Oh, why did I put all this 0 in front? That's just going to make things harder for me. Hang on. Okay. Okay, you know what? I only have until 9, so let's put 9 here for now. Read real. No. Read string. Need to read what these values are. Oh no, it's a bit kind of forgotten how to do this. This should be fine. Okay. Oops. L. Oh wait, that's wrong. Hang on. Iterate through each world. Iterate through each level. So now I'm building content, building the UI system. After that, I will have I'll need to work on the sound effects. Yeah, I did it halfway through last time, right? So there's a lot of sound effects that's still missing. There's also the music, but at some point, hopefully this month, I will be able to push out pre-alpha testing build. Yeah, I need to get the people's feedback pretty soon to make sure that I'm on the right track. Right, as far as the usability of the game is concerned, right, I need to make sure that the game is playable. It's sound design wise, right? Okay, let's see. Level name. Oh, damn it. There's a 0 here. Okay, fine. No, that's fine, that's fine. That's quite alright. I think first I should just test it and see if the names are read correctly. I tend to forget to do all this testing. Okay, so that's that. Run the build. Oh, damn it. Wrong number of arguments for this one. Okay, let's see what's wrong with it. Oh, okay, I need a default value. So I'm gonna keep the default at level 0, 1. Okay, let's see. Hope everyone's enjoying their 2021 so far. Okay, let's see. Level 20, 28, 28, 27, 27, 26. Why is it repeating so many times? Of course. There we go. I need to reload this. Wait, let me clear it first. Restart. There we go. So if I look here, yeah, all of the levels are read correctly. That's good. At least I think they are read correctly. Okay, level name. Okay, need to store it here. Nine. Okay. Excuse me. Let's see. J minus 1. Assets. So I can turn a string into an ID for my assets, which is located here. So these are all of the rooms, right? Okay. Assets, get index. That's what I need. I'm just gonna run it and see if it explodes in my face. Okay. Okay, so now I have to fix one problem, and this is a problem only because of my lack of familiarity with the GameMaker language. Hang on, let me, not this one. Wait, this one. Is it this one? Yeah, this one. Wait a second. Oh, okay, hang on. Oh man, I need to store some of this data in a global variable. Fine, I shall do that. Let's see. Can I do this? See if it complains. Wait, I don't want to call it mwool. So I have to change this part. Okay, I need to make some changes. Let me turn this off. Okay, wolves. It's probably not a good practice to just have a global variable here, but I'm just gonna do it. Okay. Wolves. Okay, what is next for me?
An artificial paradise.
here. Got it. Okay. Oh damn, I need to know the current row as well. Hang on. Damn it. Okay. When I click on the button, I'm supposed to set the word index. There we go. Word index is here. Equals to I plus 1 since I starts at 0. No wait, let me think. No, I is correct. I is correct. Okay, word index. Global dot worlds. Hang on, let me double check. Worlds. Yeah, okay, the way I'm doing it is super messy. Like that. And then index for the, let's see. Oh. Okay, I'm gonna use this. Okay, got it. Let's see if this works. This might not actually work. Hang on. Okay, let me just try it out. I hope I got the scoping thing done correctly. Please don't crash. Oh, okay, something is wrong. I cannot even click on this. Wonderful. That's not good. Let's turn it off and see what's happening. Not set before reading it. Word selection.I is not set before reading it. Word selection.I. This one. Oh crap. So the problem is this I here, well, it's not the same as this. So I need to do something. That's not good. How do I do it? Okay, I need to look up the documentation for a bit. With this function, you can bind any function that has been previously defined to give to a given instance or struct. Create a method variable that can be used later. You supply the instance ID to use it. You supply the instance ID to use it. You supply the instance ID to use it. Must be an instance that is active and the room can't be an object ID or a struct reference. Okay. Function will return a method which can be called from the variable it is assigned to see the correct. Okay. Okay. Struct reference. Okay. Okay. Let's think about this. Okay. It's not good. Yeah, this is not good. Let me look up a little something. Anonymous function. GML anonymous function. Not this. Yeah, getting stuck a little. How do I pass the I from here to here? Okay, GML function scope. Function scope. No, hang on. This is the outdated menu. Hang on. Scope, function scope. Hello. It's not what I want. None of this is what I want. Okay, I have to rethink certain things. Crap. It is what I want? Hello, Kalazor. Is it what I want? Wait, what was the thing that I said I want? Hang on. This one? I'm actually running into a bit of a problem. I do not know how to, you know, pass this I, right? In here, into this anonymous function. I have no idea how to do it. Right, I mean, it's doable in other languages, right? C++, you can do it. Is it possible to do in GML? It's basically I want like a slightly different function for each button. But I guess I don't have to do it that way, but damn. How should I? Well, I'll write some roundabout way of doing it, I guess. Let me... How's it going, by the way, Kalazo? Are you enjoying your new year so far? Oh, I need to figure out how to do variable length function as well. GML variable length function. Variable function. What do they call it again? Variable arguments. Forgot the term for it. Argument count. Argument count. Okay, let me look it up. Because after they made the changes to GML, right, version 2.3, there's some slight differences in the way the script is written. Hang on, let's see. Okay, there we go. Yes. Oh, I have to write it like this. Wait, why is it? Why is the way the function is written so different? Normally used in conjunction with argument array to permit. This isn't strictly required anymore and is provided for legacy support. Got it. So how do I do variable? What's the proper way of doing variable? You know, variable arguments. Come on, GameMaker, come on. All user-defined functions will accept variable arguments. Oh, okay, I see. And any argument passed into a function that is not part of it will be initialized to undefined. Understood. Okay. Got it. Fine, I'll do this. And then I will just quick hack something. Not Unity, what am I thinking? I think I'm getting tired. What time is it? 2:52 AM. UI element. Hime-sama has entered the chat. Yes! Thank you again, Hime-sama. Thank you nonetheless. Hello. Oh hey, thanks for the follow. I'm just working on my little one button platformer. Yeah, so at the moment I'm working on like the UI, which is not the most exciting stuff to work on, right? But I can show like some of the levels that I've been working on. Let's see. Alright, so basically the game is you play the entire game with just a single button, and the character is moving automatically from left to right. Yeah, so you just have to time when to jump. And there are various mechanics like, well, basically jumping and wall jumping. There's collectibles that you can collect. There are portals, right? So basically the purple stuff, there are portals. You exit from one end, you enter from the other. You enter from one end, you exit from the other. I'll skip this one. This one is a bit weird. Yeah, basically these are the portals. So I like having portals because it allows me to do screen wrapping. Right, you have to think about navigating the world slightly differently. That's a mechanic that I quite liked. Similarly for here, right, if you enter the bottom left, you come out from the bottom right. Oops, I died. Hello, Lucius. Yeah. Portals. Lucius, do you have any other ideas for mechanics? I think I'm at a point where I'm a little bit dry when it comes to the idea. Oops, crap. So I have springs as well. Obviously, I have spikes. So every platformer has spikes. Okay. Oops, I missed a whole bunch of coins. Not coins, but you get the idea. Yeah, so roughly that's the game. And now I'm working on the UI. Your UI... No, my UI is not done yet. I probably need like 2 more days, you know. Ground pound. Ground pound. Must I add ground pound? Add the likes thing. Likes. Oh, you mean the likes obscuring certain certain objects, right? Maybe. Let me consider that. The game might be a bit too fast. Like the movement might be a bit too fast for me to implement that, right? To obscure people's view of the environment. Just make the I can try that, but I'm not super convinced that it will work for the game because of how fast the character moves, you know. So I'll probably have to have a really big circle for it to be fair. What's with what's with ground pound anyways? Like Mario ground pound, right? Ground pound. I'll think about that. Argument equals to undefined. So I'm just going to have used for passing object specific arguments to on click. Okay. Amanda says, what about some kind of light mechanic? No idea, just tossing ideas. So light mechanic would be what Lucius suggested, right? About having my vision be limited to the circle around the player. You just think it's cool to have another action you can do in the air. Okay. It's cool to have another action you can do in the air. Yeah, I think so too. But ground pound, let me think. Maybe double jump? Ground pound. Because I feel like double jump is less disruptive than ground pound. Right? For example, if you accidentally do a ground pound, right, it's going to be frustrating, right? If you accidentally do a double jump, maybe it's not as disruptive. Having double jump will break. Yeah, that's the thing. It's not a permanent addition. It's like an item within a level that you have to collect to give you a double jump for that level itself. That way, nothing will break. You know. Oops, should not be doing this. It's fine, it's fine. It's fine. Will this break anything? Let me test it out. Having double okay, hang on. Maybe double jump too normie. I mean, maybe it's a bit of a normie mechanic, but I can always try to distinguish the game in other ways, right? Well, you know, I think about that. In one platformer you play, you can enter some kind of a cannon and launch yourself. Yeah, like in Donkey Kong Country, right? Donkey Kong Country does that. You can make the ground pound, kill enemies, and pinpoint. And for pinpoint platforming. Oh, okay. That's true. The only challenge is the fact that it has to all work with one button, right? Yeah, maybe it can work. Let me think about it. Oh no, I broke something again. Bloody heck. Okay, let me think. Index cannot be resolved. World selection create, okay. I broke everything. World selection create. Index, which index? Where is it? Index cannot be resolved. Oh, this one. Of course. Okay, got it. So I should check if it's undefined first, right? There you go. Oh hey Chris, thanks for the follow. You do something like that for specific levels. Okay. Or you could make the level like Ninja Gaiden Lightning. I have no idea what the Lightning level is. Which Ninja Gaiden? You mean the NES ones? The NES Ninja Gaidens are obscenely difficult, isn't it? Yes, NES. You actually played those? Wow. I played Ninja Gaiden on the Game Boy, which I think is the NES port, right? They try to port the NES game to Game Boy. Okay, just testing out the buttons. Okay. Basically, the whole screen is black and periodically lightning shows you where everything is. Oh! That could be an interesting mechanic, maybe. But again, my screen is so small, there is not a lot of horizontal movement space available. You know what? Let me think. lightning shows you where everything is. So just toy around with visibility, right? I can try it out. I can try it out. At least maybe I'll try like a couple of stage with it as a gimmick first. If it works out, then I can have more of that. Like for example, right? You know, I have certain stage where I try it out. I try out like an idea because I think the idea is unique, but I feel like I cannot repeat the mechanic again because its only draw is its novelty, right? Like there's no fun in it, in replaying it. Like you see, like this one, and this one is weird, right? Like you have to think about how to beat it. But once you figure out, it's not fun to replay anymore at all. So in terms of like what I can do with this, you know, it's pretty much just that one level, right, where I have this unique thing going on, but I cannot really expand upon it too much, I think. Right? I think there's a limit to that because the gameplay itself is not super fun, right? It's just figuring out how to get through the level. It's interesting, right? That's for one time, right? For the first time you play it. Okay, this work. Okay, I hope this works. Show debug message. Thanks for the suggestion, by the way. I'm definitely going to think about that. I think the game Electronic Super Joy, right, has a lot of levels that purposely obscure your view of the level. Have you heard of that one? 0. Okay, this one is working. So if I click on the second one, it's supposed to say 1 here. Yes, okay, it's working. Whew, it's such a weird way of getting around a limitation of the language. Oh, you've not heard of Electronic Super Joy? I see, I see. It's an indie platformer. Okay, so that means it's finally time for me to do level selection. I think once this works, right, I think I can call it a night then rest. It's 3:07 AM now. Oops. I don't know if this will work. Because this is a key and then this is the actual value, right? I hope the differentiation is clear to the compiler. Let me see. Please work. Okay, so if it's working right, then this will bring me to level, let me see, this will bring me to level 1, this will bring me to level 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let's try it out. It's level 1 here, which is correct. Okay. And this will 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This will bring me to level 5. Yeah, okay, I got it working. I got it working. That's great. That's great. But of course, the once I walk through the door, right, the order will not be maintained. So I have to fix that as well. Yeah, I have to fix that as well. But I think I can fix that next time. Yeah. Okay. Oh hey. Thanks for hanging around, man. Sashimi goes bloop. I think it's time for me to do a recap on what I've managed to do. So let me just restart all. Please forgive the slight, well, not slight, but please forgive the severe lag because I have live reloading on that affects the performance a bit. What are you doing, Lucius? You don't have permission to do shout out, I think. Yeah. And I have no idea what the PogChamp command is. Okay, in any case, right, earlier in the stream, I managed to, you know what, let me fix the lag first. My goodness, the lag. Let me get rid of the live reloading, which is GM live here. Disable it, and I'll run it again. Wait, have we shouted out Hime Togi? Let me do it also. Hime Togi. Oh, okay. Let's do it again. Right, thanks Amanda. In any case, right, let's do a quick recap before I catch some shut eye. Okay, in any case, here's my word selection, right? It's a work in progress, right? There's more to be done. So for instance, if you were to look at my little mock-up here, I want to draw my tiny Jerboa on the button. Okay, that's one thing. And earlier in the stream, right, I managed to fix a graphical issue I had with the connectors, right, which is the lines here. That's one thing. And after that, once that is done, right, I work on the alignment of the container, right, the alignment of all the different buttons. It seems to work properly. So if I resize, right, everything is the placement is maintained, right? It's working as it should. Okay, next up, I have the back button, which I added. And thanks to the fact that I've written my UI classes, mainly my UI button class, adding this button was fairly quick. Yeah, I should point out that there isn't any UI system in GameMaker, so all graphical UI has to be done from scratch. Yeah, so that's one thing. Hang on. Oh, hello, Moko. Hello, thanks for dropping by. Oh, thanks for the follow. Amanda, what are you doing? add code. Oh, okay. Playing around with commands, eh? Sorry, I'm not like super familiar with how all of this works. Okay. In any case, I've added the back button, which is working properly. I could add it fairly quickly because of my UI classes, which is here. There we go. So UI class is right here. Hang on. This is my UI. Oh crap! Let me navigate this properly. So this is my UI class, right? It's only possible with GameMaker version 2.3 onwards. Right? They make some changes to the language, which allow us to write our own struct, or rather, well, I call it class, but it's a struct, right? And as you can see, right, I have a callback function that I can set, right? So that means I can easily customize the behavior of each button. So that's that. So I have my back button done, right? Then I work on making each of this button bring me to the correct level. But in order to do that, in order to know what level each of these buttons is supposed to lead me to, I need to have the data in a text file, which is this. So for instance, right, this is world 1. If I click on world 1, then all of these levels, right, is supposed to be mapped to all of these buttons, right? So I've done the file reading and I've stored all of this data into a 2D array, and from there I can make sure to bind the correct callback functions to each of these buttons. So say for instance, this is button 2, right? The second button will allow me to go to level 2. So if I click on this, it should say level 2 right here on the top left. So that's correct. Yeah, and that really is it, right? That's all I've done. So mainly boring UI task. But I think I'm close to the end of my little UI adventure, I guess. So next up would be well, finishing whatever's left, right? Some polishing task, and I will be back to making more levels finally. Yeah. Okay, what did I miss? UI transition. Hey, thanks. Thank you. I'm glad you liked it. Essentially, I'm just drawing a circle, but I made a function call to make the circle be like super low poly. Right. Okay. And that's about it. Let me just play through a couple of levels. Hang on. Right, so here's one level. So I'm thinking of adding more mechanics next time round. Possibly some, maybe double jumping, or maybe ground pound, right, as Lucius mentioned. I'll consider it. I'll think about it. Yeah, but my intention is to get to 99 levels. So at the moment I only have 34. So I have more to add. And that's it. I think this is a good point for me to end, since it is 3:18 AM. And thank you so much for hanging around, everyone. You know what I can do for boss level 100? What is it? Tell me more, Lucius. Tell me before I go. Change jump to attack with your button, then spam button. No. That's not a good thing. That's not good. We shouldn't be introducing mechanics in the final level. That'd be weird. But in any case, thanks for hanging around, everyone. Hey, Hime-sama, if you're still here, I want to thank you a lot. I want to thank you and also Chow, right, for being so kind and so helpful. Thank you so much. Thank you everyone for sticking around. I'll be heading off. See ya. Bye bye.